Alright, so welcome back to my channel, you guys. I want to go ahead and show you how I get vacation ready. While I'm on vacation, you guys, I don't like too much makeup on my face. I want it to be pretty minimal, and I just love it. Okay, so first and first, I'm going in with some primer, and I do have my Canon Austin Prime and Protect Mattifying Primer. You guys have seen this on my channel so many times, but I love this on vacation because it does have sunscreen in it, which is perfect because, I mean, it's like a two-in-one product, a primer and sunscreen. So I go ahead and put it all over my face, and I'm moving on to foundation. I do have the Cover FX Power Play foundation, and with this, you guys, I don't put it all over my face. I just put it in the areas that I need. So like underneath my eyes, around my mouth, a little bit on my chin and whatnot, and it kind of like makes everything look seamless, but at the same time I'm not wearing a bunch of makeup on my face. Also, I do want to mention it does look a little bit light right now, but I did get some sun out there in Cali, so I'm a little bit darker. But once I blend everything out together, you guys, it looks better at the end, just trust me. I'm just blending it all over my face, and y'all can just tell right away everything looks really smooth and flawless. And I call this like my catfish tutorial because it looks like I have no makeup on my face, but I do have a little bit of product on there. Now to set everything, I'm taking my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder, and y'all can tell I am taking the smallest amount of powder because I want my skin to look very skin-like. I don't want it to look powdery or whatnot, so y'all can just tell I'm taking the smallest amount and just setting my whole entire face. And I do like the yellow in the powder because it just looks a little bit more highlighted, but not too much, if y'all know what I mean. So I'm just setting everything, you guys, just to make everything a little bit more matte. Moving on to bronzer, I'm taking my favorite bronzer at the moment, which is a Fenty Beauty Stalk'r bronzer, and I'm just adding some color to my face. This bronzer, y'all, like, I don't know what is in there, but it just matches my skin perfectly. Once I put it on, everything looks bronze and just nice. I am obsessed with this bronzer. If you haven't tried it out, I highly recommend it, you guys. And then I'm adding some bronzer to my forehead. Honestly, I don't need it because it's low-key burnt right now from the sun. But I still went ahead and added some bronzer to my forehead. For blush, I'm taking my Makeup Forever blush in the shade B402. And this color on my skin, y'all, like, I am obsessed with it. I love it on darker skin tones too because it has like the perfect amount of like pink and orange, and it's just so beautiful on the skin. And I'm adding a little bit of this onto my nose. I've been doing this lately. I don't know why, but I kind of like it on the nose. Now to set everything and make it look like skin, I'm taking my MAC Fix Plus. I'm just spraying that all over my face. And then what I've been doing lately, I noticed, is I go in with a sponge and I press it into my skin. I notice it like sets the makeup and like press like the setting spray and the foundation and everything on the skin together, and it just looks really nice and just skin-like. So that's what I'm going for, you guys, and it gets rid of all the powder on my skin. For a highlight, I'm taking my Artist Couture Conceited highlighter, and I love loose highlighters on this skin because it looks so natural and like you're naturally glowing from within. So I go ahead and put that on my skin, and I put it on my cheeks and on my nose. And in a second, y'all will notice that I put a little bit of this, a little bit too much on my nose, so y'all can just tell what the face I make right here. Yeah, I put a little bit too much, but I just put this highlighter all over my skin. Alright, so moving on to the eyes, I'm taking my Rimmel mascara and I'm just putting a little bit of this onto my eyes. Next time, I will probably go ahead and do some lash extensions because my eyes are very squinty and I just love lashes. So I'll probably do that next time when I go on vacation. And now I'm taking a little bit of the Fenty bronzer. I'm just putting that in the crease of my eyes. Now for the lips, I'm taking my Makeup Forever Limitless Brown Lip Liner, and I'm just putting that all over my lips. And when it comes to vacation, you guys, I really don't like a matte lip. I love a very glossy lip, so I'm going in with my Anastasia Vintage Lip Gloss, and their formula is so good because it doesn't really come off the lips. Kind of stays on the whole entire day, and I just really like that. Now, y'all, this is a Neutrogena sunscreen, and when I tell you this makes you look so glowy and like shiny, I am not even kidding you guys. I put this all over my skin on vacation and I was looking so glowy. And I actually got this trick from JLo's makeup artist. He said that when you put this all over your skin, you look glowy and whatnot. And y'all, he is not lying at all. Go ahead and buy that. But I hope you guys enjoyed my whole entire video. It's very simple and easy. Let me know what you think down below and I'll see you guys in the next one.